I'm just now starting to edit all the video because we went to Singapore, and that was it. We were only out for the second half. Wasn't even that long. It was only like it was like 60 something days. Last half I was only there. Remember, I was only there for like half of the first half of deployment. So I was only there for like 2.5 months. Our deployments are normally 6 months. So totally, I was out for 4 months. You know, I didn't get to Japan until the squadron left like 2 months later. But either way, we went to Singapore. I'm gonna forewarn you. The first 2 days I have on my GoPro. The third day I had duty, and then the fourth day I forgot to bring my GoPro. So I got some stuff on my phone. I got some pictures, and I got a few videos. Um, I really did forget my GoPro. By the time I realized that we were off the ship and on the way into the city, and I was like, we can't go back now. So I am kind of disappointed in that because I really just wish I had video of at night. This it's beautiful. It's the city at night is extremely nice. There's like this amazing laser light show in front of this building. It's I forgot the name of it. It's something by the bay, but you're gonna see it. I'm on top of the building during the day, and you're gonna see it. It's amazing. But at night, when you're honestly, like I thought about it, it's like if you want to bring like someone special, like bring them there. Singapore is one of those places. It's so nice. Either way, I do apologize. You're gonna see a little bit of Singapore. It's very nice, but there are a lot of very restrictive rules on what you could do. It is a Muslim country, so they do follow a specific set of rules for them. They do still cane people. They cane people for, it's not common. Like a lot of the stuff they do is not common what they do. Like it's not, what I mean by common is that it's not like it happens on a regular basis. So they do cane people. They do hang people for certain things, but I don't think they've hanged or really caned anyone in a very long time. Like it's been a little bit. They do jail us. They do jail people pretty often for breaking laws, but they don't really cane people that often. But either way, Singapore is definitely a cool place to go see. I would not want to live there because some things that they do that I just would not want to live there, but it's a very nice place to visit. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think, and yep, I'll see you. Fucking awesome. Shit. So, shit. So this pond is man-made. Oh my god. Holy shit. Dude, I didn't realize how big of a city this was. Holy shit. Is Singapore just one big city? Kim, is Singapore like, since Singapore is a country, just a small country, is it just all one big city?
It's a big ass city.
It's just one huge city? Yeah. Shit. Oh my god. That's crazy, bro. Oh, my bad.
People here, but he heard
So all this water that you can see is all man-made area, all the water is man-made. So there's like a levee over there, and it blocks out the ocean water from coming in here. But this is all this water is man-made. It's crazy. And Singapore is just one really big city. It's a small country. It's just one big city. Because you're trying to see some dick.
Yeah. Bro, you keep talking shit, your phone's gonna somehow fall.
Oh, I wonder how. I wonder how.
That shit's gonna go. Oh, damn. Fuck. How'd that happen?
I don't know. Not like this.
Yeah, dude, I love taking photos of like the.
Dude, that's so sad. There's one dude just sitting there looking at his phone.
In the other gondola?
Yeah.
How'd that happen? I don't know.
Philippe looking retarded as always.
Ow.
Dude, that's what you need to do when you come to next time, I guess, in the future.
What?
Get on a cruise boat or get on one of those boats.
You can't.
It takes you. That's a pretty nice view of this city right there. If you want a picture right there, it looks like fucking Lego blocks. Lego blocks.
Oh shit.
Can you?
No, that'd be pretty impressive if you can. Fucking hate weird
Gondola.
You guys look drunk as fuck. What's wrong with you guys?
I don't know, drunk as fuck.
It's just the anger.
It's just the anger. Oh,
Yeah,
dude.
we could have done that too. Could have walked across that.
Oh shit! I didn't even see that.
I told you it was there, but you didn't believe me.
Walk across where?
You literally, that bridge right there, you can walk across that shit.
Oh.
But now we're leaving.
You guys missed it. No, it's a round trip though. You can come back actually, to be honest, if you really want to.
But
We have nothing to do today, to be honest.
Wait, is there two cities? What the fuck?
no, dude, that's the
It's-
fucking.
it's-
That's where we would go. We're going further across the island.
Oh shit!
It's almost like what I said was what was happening.
It almost is like what you said is happening.
Bro, move your head.
Yeah, it's like a walkway that you can walk through the trees and stuff, and it's all cool and stuff. But look, there's zip lining and shit, dude. You guys want to go zip lining and shit?
Oh.
Have you ever gone zip lining?
Yeah.
It's not as much fun as you think it is.
It hurts.
Honestly, maybe the first time you do it, it's like, oh, cool, and then
That's it. Once is good enough.
yeah, it's literally
Once is good enough. Because especially if you're a guy, it hurts your balls.
yeah.
And because they say, hey, protection is really good. And I used to do, like, we actually go in the water. Like, the zip line actually just drops you off in the water.
Yeah, I had one at a park where he dropped you in water. In the water.
She was dope.
Yeah. Not as much fun as you think it is.
Don't challenge me, asshole. You won't.
So what
What
is
do
your
you want
guys'
me to drop
impression
on
of
top of
Singapore?
somebody's head?
Boring as fuck.
Boring as.
Nah, for real.
It's
not a
nice.
lot
It's
to do.
pretty. It's pretty as shit. But like,
Oh my god.
there's
we
so many
stopping
laws
here?
you can't do much. Oh, dude, this is gonna be a roller coaster. We're flying down this shit.
Are we stopping here though?
Yeah, and then we get out, and then we walk over to the other station.
You wanna walk? I thought we just stay on it.
No, we walk. Over to the one down there. You
Oh,
see?
if you wanna ride that one?
Yeah, that's to get on to the other side of the island.
You wanna do that?
That's what we got tickets for. You
Which
know,
one do we
bitch.
walk to? Where the fuck is this shit, dude?
We go to Marina Bay Beach.
Alright, so we got lost in a mall for about half an hour looking for an Adidas that's all the way down in the basement. And we're up on the third level.
You're retarded.
I'm retarded. You're the one.
I was trying to figure it out.
You figured it out after
I might
half
have
an
been- I
hour.
might have been misleading us from the very beginning.
You
but
were
I
misleading
eventually
us.
figured
It was a
out.
blind leading the blind. And then we walked into this massive store where it's like not even a store, it's just a ton of small stores packed into this one big area. And yeah, we were literally on a mall for 3 hours. And we barely bought anything. Just looking around. Fuck.
Okay.
And now we gotta find a smoke pit.
Let me change first.
You wanna change shirts?
Yeah, and my fucking pants. Bro, this shit looks fucking magical.
Looks like they're just getting rammed from the back, dude.
Shit looks magical though, shit. Hey, you want some jeans? They're gonna be like
Calvin Klein jeans?
expensive as fuck.
Alright, we gotta figure out which way is the smoke pit. It is currently fucking 9:01. Been up since 4 in the morning. So we've been going on 5 hours doing absolutely nothing, and now we're going into the city. For what, Philippi? For what?
To eat some ass, bro.
To eat. Okay. Fucking.
What else? What else do you go to a city for?
You got me. Family fun activities.
Why would you think of the breakfast, dog?